pembuangan sisa plastik dari Sungai Klang antara penyumbangan utama.
Terlalu bahaya untuk digunakan akibat pencemaran.
Salah satu puncanya adalah sampah.
Water is a life, yet one of Malaysia's most vital arteries. Sungai Klang is under severe stress. Following through the heart of the Klang Valley, it supports over 4 million people. But today, it carries not just water, but a burden of industrial waste, untreated sewage, and urban runoff.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is MOHAMAD FITRI. My matric number is 2024251906. And I'm from Group 3B2 for subject ECW 445. So our mission today is to tackle this complex challenge. We won't just diagnose the problem. We will propose an integrated, sustainable solution that combines engineering, innovation, smart policy, and nature's own healing power. An essential approach for achieving UN Sustainable Development Goals 11 and 12.
The pollution of Sungai Klang is a multi-headed monster. Let's break it down. First, industrial effluents from manufacturing zones release heavy metals like lead and cadmium, along with toxic organic compounds. Second, domestic sewage from areas with inadequate treatment plants contributes high level of BOD and ammonia. Third, urban stormwater runoff washes oil, heavy metals, and solid water from our streets into the river. Here is a graph from 2033 SMG report appear showing parameters like BOD, pH that exceeding class 4 in several locations.
The impact ripples far beyond the riverbank. First, environmental. Aquatic life suffocated. Biodiversity plummets. The river ecosystem services like natural fertilization are lost. Second, social and health. Communities relying on the river face health risks, skin disease, and diarrhea. The river become a public nuisance, not a public asset anymore. Third is economy. The water treatment costs skyrocket for Shabas. Property, riverbank will decline. Tourism and recreational potential are destroyed.
Here's how it integrates AI technology. So the dashboard frame appears with title AI Optimization Dashboard. Each unit is equipped with sensors that continuously monitor inlet and effluent quality. So this is a real-time data is fed into a cloud-based AI model. So the visual is AI prediction. The AI can predict pollution load surge, for example, before a heavy rain event washes pollutant into the river, and automatically adjust the treatment process. It optimizes aeration energy, predicts membrane fouling for maintenance, and ensure compliance with Class IIB DOE Standard 24/7. So the visual for the final status appear at the bottom, which is status optimal and 24/7 compliance maintained. And for our design criteria is modular for scalability, solar hybrid for energy resilience, and designed for a 20-year lifespan with easy membrane replacement.
Technology alone is not enough. Our second pillar is policy and governance. We advocate for a revised Sungai Klang Basin Management Plan under the Environmental Quality Act 1974. First, strict polluter-pays enforcement. Implement continuous discharge monitoring linked to automated penalty system for violations. 2. Green tax incentive. Provide significant tax rebate for industries that achieve zero liquid discharge or adopt our proposed MBR units. Third, integrate data platform. Mandate all treatment plants and major industries to share water quality data on a public platform, fostering transparency and enabling our AI model to work at a basin-wide scale.
Our third pillar returns to nature's wisdom. We propose linear constructed wetlands along the lower energy stretches and tributaries of Sungai Klang. These wetlands act as the river's kidneys. They provide tertiary treatment, polishing the water from our engineered systems and intercepting diffuse runoff. They also restore habitats, increase urban green space, and serve as living laboratories for the community. This is where SDG 11 comes alive. We integrate these wetlands with a River Guardian community program where local schools and NGOs adopt a section, monitor biodiversity, and participate in planting, creating a deep sense of ownership and stewardship.
So, how do our solutions stack up? For the first row is smart MBR units. It demonstrates high effectiveness through direct treatment. They have a medium to high initial cost, but low operating expenses thanks to AI optimization. Their sustainability is high, saving energy and enabling water use. And the second row is policy reform. It's highly effective for preventing pollution at the source. Its cost is low, being primarily regulatory. Its sustainability is high, driving systemic and long-term change. For the third row is constructed wetlands, offer medium effectiveness for pollution water and creating habitat. Cost is low to medium depending on land. Their sustainability is very high, delivering lasting ecological and social benefit. So together, this integrated package powerfully support SDG 11 by making our city more resilient and inclusive, and SDG 12 by ensuring industry produce responsibly.
The story of Sungai Klang doesn't have to be one of the decline. By bringing together smart engineering, forward-thinking policy, and restorative ecology, we can chart a new course.
We call on engineers to design with nature, not against it.
And we call on every citizen to become a guardian of our water that transforms Sungai Klang from a symbol pollution into a beacon of integrated sustainable revival.
Thank you. Bye.